Hi guys, so I am doing part two of my Sugar Lake tour. Okay, so part one is like one way going to the eastern part of the Chapala. They call it like a La Playa, right? A playa? La Playa. La Playa. Okay, so again, let me show you the panoramic view of Sugar Lake. So it's, don't get me wrong, it's not, Sugar Lake is not just limited to Chapala. It actually straddles several cities that includes like up to like Ahihi, you know. And I'm still, I don't know how far is Ahihi from here, but we're gonna visit that in the following days. But here it is from Chapala. So this is the entire length of the lake. Okay, so we're going back west. Okay, and I want to start at this point because this is a very curious it's like a sculpture here. It says La Última Gota. Okay, Daddy, translate. What's La Última Gota?
The last spill of water.
The last what?
Spill of water.
Oh, the last wave.
The spill. When you drop.
Yeah. Oh, the last water drop. So this structure looks like a water drop. Very interesting. Okay. So gota is like a drop.
Yes, like when you put in your eyes.
Yeah.
One, two.
One drop.
One drop.
Oh. La última gota. I learned something new today. Okay, and then we're passing by a row of restaurant bars here. And again, these are their offering, and then the angel wing, we passed this already. And then so the prices here are in Mexican pesos, but they don't put the peso sign, they put the dollar sign still. Okay, for some reason, I don't know why. Like for example this one. No, it's okay. Está bien. So so $1 US dollar is equivalent to 18 Mexican peso. So you do the math. Okay. So they have the buffet. It looks like a seafood buffet. So that's the price. Eat all you can. Okay, Kim, stick your face in there.
Oh no.
In the hula dance. Okay, Daddy, here in the hula, the girl. No, here. There you go. Oh my God. No, closer out the hole, through the hole. So yeah. Okay, great. Okay, good job guys. You're hilarious. Okay, and these are the mariachi band in full costume. Hi, hola. That's another structure. And it's this guy is Miguel, or was Miguel Laure Rubio. Nació en El Salto, Jalisco.
I think he was a famous
Formé el grupo Los Cometas y fue bautizado el Rey del Trópico. Se le considera oriundo de Chapala. So it looks like he's a native here, or he became popular for like he was a popular performer of some sorts. Okay, and this is the picture taking spot. Yeah, Chapala. You see? And it says underneath, es amor, cultura, familia, tradición, lago, diversión, sol. So es amor is love, culture, family, tradition, lake, diversion, and sol. It's basically, it sums up the whole place. Okay, that's the spirit of the whole place. Okay. And you see the people here from all over the world. Actually, I'm surprised, you know, like I'm surprised with, you know, like there was a lady that we met along the way and she's from Canada. Another one from Seattle. And these are the street food. Yeah. Look. Wow. And this town, and I think the whole country in general, is predominantly Catholic. So they have a lot of like statues like this one.
Say the brilliant of Zapopan.
It's a Virgin of Zapopan. Zapopan. Okay. Virgen de Zapopan. Okay. That's one of many. And you see, you can go down there, and actually the whole this area here, you know, is covered in water lily, you know, water hyacinth. Okay, more people. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Wow. Okay, let's see what they're selling here. Oh, ice cream. So they're selling sabores. Vanilla, fresa, limon, nuez, queso, chocolate, elote, mamey. I don't know what mamey is. Chongos, chongos. Y queso. Why? You can't have it? You want some? Ah, okay. Wow. I'm impressed by your self-control, Kim. Oh, look at that. Okay. There's so much to look at. I don't know. Okay, we'll go back there to the fountain. Oh, that boat there that you can see. I don't know if you can see the boat. Over there. Far into the distance. Yeah, that's for rent. So you rent that boat and then you go where you want to go. I just don't know how much is how much they charge for renting that boat. But we will find out.
¿Cuánto cobras?
Sale 3.30 aquí al vivero de Chapala, por todos, es media hora de paseo.
¿Y
A
de
la
la
isla,
isla cuánto?
4.70 bajando media hora, una hora en la isla sale 560.
Okay,
Ah,
gracias.
Estamos para servirles.
okay. What island? Which island?
Scorpion Island.
Oh, the Scorpio Island. How much is it?
Around 450.
You.
Half an hour.
Half an hour only?
Yeah, half an hour you spend there. Or 700 like about an hour.
700. How much is that in dollars?
700 like around probably like $50, 50, $55.
$55. Oh, okay. So they charge $55 for an hour of boat ride going to the Scorpio Island. And then when you get there, you need to pay entrance, right?
No. Basically over there they have
That's Scorpio Island. Over. Oh.
it's a place to eat.
Oh, okay.
They sell fish, they sell different kinds.
Oh.
They sell fresh fish.
Is there a hotel there too?
No hotel.
No hotel. Okay, so this is the dock where you board a boat going to that island. They call it Scorpio Island because it's shaped like a scorpio. Okay, it's kind of like expensive, but I'll think if it's worth the trip.
La isla
Scorpio. Le de los what?
Alacranes.
Alacranes?
Alacranes.
Not cangrejo?
Alacranes. The scorpion.
The cranes, okay. Yeah, they have a Scorpio Island. Ooh. What do you say to that, Kim?
The Scorpion Islands because that's the way they look like a scorpion.
Yeah, they are shaped into a Scorpio. So that's over there. Yeah. I'm liking the weather. it's really nice, you know. It's warm. You can feel the warmth of the sun, but it's cloudy. It's not so cold, really. So you can get by with like a light jacket or like a sweater, and you won't die of the cold. Look at that. There's a lot of birds, so that means there's a lot of fish in here. Oh, there's a lot of ducks too. Ah, look at that.
Those se ponen gaviotas.
Gaviotas. See, the water lilies are undulating in the water. Yeah, watching it like that, it kind of like can hypnotize you.
Hydrosphere and biosphere connecting together.
Wow, Kim, you're being nerd right now. What's that? What did you say?
Hydrosphere and biosphere are connecting together.
Oh my gosh, what does that mean?
Hydrosphere is water and biosphere is nature. So basically the leaves right there are biosphere and the water is hydrosphere. Technically they're touching together, so they're connecting.
They're connecting, and when two things connect, something else happens, right?
Yeah.
What could that be? We don't know.
Yeah, we
Look at that. So we're reaching. Oh, look at the fish. Oh, they just caught it. Look. It's a tilapia, I guess. Yeah, it's a tilapia.
That's tilapia.
Tilapia, right? Wow. Look at that. Freshly caught in the lake. Excuse me. And then we are this sort of like a gazebo at the end of the dock. So over there, that small thing over there. Oops. Yeah. That's Scorpio Island there. That one. That's what people are lining up for. So these people on the boat, yeah, these ones. Okay, they are on their way there. They are on their way there to the island. Huh?
1969, 1970.
Uh-huh.
On the other side, they tried to build the through train. But in those days, the water go offload to the Catholic Church.
Okay.
In those 1970s.
1970s.
It's the same thing. Remember when we go to
Oh yeah.
you put your black, it's like when you came over here.
Oh, it reminds me of the one in France, right? I just saw that a movie where
Yeah.
they, like, what is that for? They have their message there.
Yeah, you put a message like when you came over here and then nobody can take it out, someone's on the garden.
Oh, okay. Look at that. A touch of France. Okay. I'm afraid I may have to do a part 3. So, for now, say hasta luego. Regresamos ahora. Okay? Okay. Adios.